What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on the clip. We got a short one today. We've got a little bit of a ride teaser and a shop walkthrough. So we've got the ATC250R that I just waiting for a shock and a couple of small pieces, and this one will be done. Brand new plastics are sitting in the box. They're not going on it until it's ready to go, so they don't get messed up whatsoever. Got old school DG nickel plated pipe, motor's solid. Brand new DWT gold rims. Got an FL350, number 1. This one's pretty close to done. It's got to be cleaned up. I got to run some hoses, brake lines. This is number 2. This one needs a bit more work. It's got some powder coating done. I've got the upper cage and everything in the sandblasting area. That's going to be a 200 Big Red lifted on 44s. We got the 07 KX450F, which is almost done. My OG, the ATC250R. I've had that thing almost 15 years. It's a 125X conversion. 96 CR125 and an 85 200X frame. That was a fun conversion. I'm fighting with kicker issues. Got the other side of the OG. The other side of the KX. Now we've got an 85 310R stretched 12 inches. This thing's got them aftermarket plastics, and if you drop them, they turn into shrapnel. Another 85 200X, another one that's inverted. This one's almost done, waiting on an intake. This is going to be a lot of fun to ride. I know Dave's going to be happy when this thing's done. Got an oversized tank and everything. Got a little pony on it. This is a 310 motor going in the ATC250R, the white and red one. We got Tony's Big Red. It's an ATC250ES, lifted 10 inches, stretched 13 inches with 35-inch mud tires. Bunch of custom work on this thing. Absolute fun build. I actually had a lot of fun doing that. We got some broken clutch covers, blown out set of Banshee cases that need to be fixed. Actually, the Banshee cases are pretty much done. These clutch covers got to be done. Look forward to the videos in those. We've got the Warrior trike motor with brand new top end, waiting to get put together. You guys asking for the Warrior trike? Here it is, sitting there standing up, not looking very impressive whatsoever. But there it is, the Warrior trike. Had to sell the front end, get another one. And we'll finish it off with some more jumps and riding. Appreciate the views. Don't forget to hit that like button, the subscribe button, and throw a comment down in there. Really appreciate the watch time. For those of you that have watched to the end, really appreciate it. Y'all have a great day.